The SAP Certified Implementation Consultant, SAP Engagement Cloud, Emarsys Edition exam has changed. The new format goes beyond memorization. You'll face AI role-play scenarios where you're expected to think and respond like a real SAP Emarsys implementation consultant. In this video, you'll answer realistic SAP exam questions and experience a simulation based on the new performance-based exam format. This certification validates your ability to implement SAP Engagement Cloud, Emarsys Edition, including campaign management, customer engagement channels, integrations, and data management. In the real exam, you'll receive a business scenario, explain your recommendation, defend your decisions, and answer follow-up questions from the AI examiner. Let's begin with Scenario 1. Scenario 1. Omnichannel campaign planning. A retail company wants to launch a seasonal promotion. The marketing team currently sends only email campaigns, but engagement rates are declining. Management wants a coordinated omnichannel customer engagement strategy using SAP Emarsys. AI examiner. Question: as the implementation consultant, how would you recommend approaching this requirement? Best candidate response. I would recommend using SAP Emarsys omnichannel capabilities to create a coordinated customer journey across email, SMS, mobile push notifications, and web channels. First, I would analyze customer segments and engagement history. Next, I would define channel-specific content and automate customer journeys based on customer behavior. This approach improves customer engagement while maintaining consistent messaging across channels. AI examiner. Cross. Question: why is an omnichannel strategy preferable to email-only communication? Best response. Omnichannel marketing increases customer reach and engagement because customers interact through different channels. Using multiple connected channels creates more personalized experiences and improves campaign effectiveness compared to relying on a single communication method. Exam. Tip: don't focus on channels individually. Emphasize how SAP Emarsys connects channels into a unified customer journey that improves engagement and consistency. Scenario 2. Customer segmentation strategy. A company has accumulated customer data from multiple sources, but sends identical marketing campaigns to all customers. Campaign performance is poor. AI examiner. Question: what would you recommend? Best candidate response. I would create customer segments based on demographic data, purchase history, behavioral activity, and engagement metrics. Using segmentation enables personalized communication and allows campaigns to target relevant audiences with tailored messaging. AI examiner. Cross question: what business benefit does segmentation provide? Best response. Segmentation increases campaign relevance, improves conversion rates, enhances customer experiences, and helps marketing teams allocate resources more effectively. Exam. Tip: the AI examiner is usually looking for personalization. Always explain how segmentation makes campaigns more relevant to specific customer groups. If you're preparing for the new SAP performance-based exam format, practice is critical. The best way to improve is by working through realistic SAP exam tasks and consultant-level scenarios. For additional SAP exam simulations and preparation resources, you can explore pass4success.com. Now let's continue with more advanced scenarios. Scenario 3. Data Integration Challenge. A customer wants SAP Emarsys integrated with existing CRM and e-commerce platforms. Customer information currently exists in multiple disconnected systems. AI examiner. Question: how would you approach this implementation? Best candidate response. I would first identify required data sources, business requirements, and integration objectives. Then I would design data flows between systems and SAP Emarsys, ensuring consistent customer profiles and reliable synchronization processes. The goal is to establish accurate and timely data availability for marketing activities. AI examiner. Cross. Question: why is data quality important during integration? Best response. Poor data quality negatively affects segmentation, personalization, reporting accuracy, and campaign performance. Reliable customer data is essential for effective marketing execution and decision-making. Exam tip. Whenever integrations are discussed, mention data quality, synchronization, and a single customer view. These are key implementation priorities. Scenario 4. Campaign performance analysis. A recently launched campaign generated lower than expected results. Management wants recommendations for improvement. AI Examiner. Question: what steps would you take? Best candidate response. I would review campaign metrics including open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, audience targeting, and channel performance. Next, I would identify weak performing areas and test alternative content, segmentation strategies, and customer journey designs. AI Examiner. Cross. Question: why is continuous analysis important? Best response. Continuous analysis enables optimization, supports data-driven decisions, and helps organizations improve future campaign performance. Exam. Tip: don't jump directly to solutions. First, analyze metrics, identify root causes, then recommend optimization actions. Scenario 5. New customer journey. Design: a company wants to improve onboarding experiences for newly acquired customers. AI Examiner. Question: how would you design the solution? Best candidate response. I would create an automated onboarding journey that introduces customers to products and services through multiple engagement points. The journey would include welcome communications, educational content, follow-up interactions, and engagement monitoring. Automation ensures consistent customer experiences while reducing manual effort. AI Examiner. Cross question: what makes an onboarding journey successful? Best response: successful onboarding delivers relevant content at the right time, encourages engagement, and helps customers achieve value quickly. Exam. Tip: focus on delivering the right content at the right time. The examiner wants to see customer-centric thinking, not just workflow automation. Scenario 6. Account management and planning. A client wants a long-term customer engagement strategy rather than isolated campaigns. AI Examiner. Question: how would you support this requirement? Best candidate response. I would develop an account planning strategy aligned with business objectives, customer lifecycle stages, and engagement goals. The strategy would include measurable KPIs, campaign schedules, customer retention initiatives, and continuous optimization activities. AI Examiner cross-question: why should account planning align with business goals? Best response. Alignment ensures marketing activities contribute directly to measurable business outcomes and long-term customer value. Exam tip: always connect engagement activities to business objectives and measurable KPIs. Consultants are expected to think strategically. Notice that these scenarios didn't test memorization. They tested your ability to think like a consultant. That's exactly how the SAP scenario-based exam evaluates candidates. Today, you completed 6 realistic SAP exam tasks, similar to those you'll encounter on the SAP C_C4H22 certification exam. For more SAP exam simulations and scenario-based practice questions, continue with our certification playlist. If you're preparing for your SAP certification, visit pass4success.com for additional practice resources. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next training session.